Ultimately, these are a ton of research articles. You can see here that we know who the publisher is, the title, the species that is relevant, the findings, and in all of these cases, also the link somewhere. I just got to figure out where the link is hiding. I think it was also in the front. Oh, okay, well here are some of the links. Okay, fantastic. And so now this is actually the research journal, which I would encourage anybody to, pick up a research paper every now and then. It's really challenging, but it's a worthwhile challenge. You'll learn a lot and learn a lot of new vocabulary and just really push those neurons to grow. So this is what we do, right? So we do this deep research using tools like Manus or Gemini or Cursor, and we gather lots of information. This includes lots of reading and formulating this spreadsheet, right? AI doesn't just make this spreadsheet. We're building these steps at a time, and then we're taking this entire project back into Manus, which does an incredible job at building something as beautiful as this website, which even includes some links here, as you can see, to some of the research studies, right? And I was like, metabolism and functions of lipids and fatty acids, but in teleost fish. So I was like, okay, yeah, there's that marine biology tie in. Just want to make sure. And I believe, we definitely need to make sure we're quoting the scientists. I mean, definitely they're on the papers that are quoted in here, but I want to make sure we're doing a better job at giving the scientists who spend their life's work of getting this information and make sure that we're spotlighting them. You can see we are spotlighting a lot of the fish. So, if I click on Barracuda, you can see the photo here. And actually, what I was hoping to eventually do was take all of the 3D models and create a game. So going back to our Google Drive folder, we used additional tools outside of everything I just mentioned to make photos and 3D models. Right, so you have the shark, for example. I can't preview the 3D models on here, but they pretty much look the same as the photos do. And I believe we have a ton. I think we have several hundred of these different photos. So yeah, there's a realistic photo that's more of the okay, and you can see a lot of these went on the website as well. And so we had videos. We also photos. We also did videos. Um, we'll check one of these out here. Let's. Okay, so yeah, definitely I'll share this video with anybody. I hope you caught some of the audio, but we made these videos using Sora AI, coming up with the scripts, and ChatGPT coming up with the scripts, and then Sora coming up with these videos. That's actually my dog Coco, which we were able to clone as a cameo into this tool. It's very cool. And then the photos, we made those in Stable Diffusion, and so future videos will cover those things. So you can see how lots of different tools are coming together for us to build a website and ultimately educate other people, educate one another about this increasingly challenging issue. We don't want to lose all the clownfishes, otherwise we might not ever get a Nemo 3. You feel me? Anyways, I hope this was enlightening to an extent. Please share with us your projects, and I can't wait to see you in one of our next videos.